With us we have the president of Namibia's Boxing Federation, Kelly Ngilifwa. Now Kelly, we just had the National Boxing Championships here in Walvis Bay. How did it go?
It went very well, actually. We believe that we've also seen that the standard of boxing has improved a bit. It was quite hectic in that we had two tournaments in one, which is the senior and junior championship.
Right, and the results, Komas winning there for the third year in a row.
Yeah, it was actually very good for them. Nampol and NDF were very, very close, but Komas, there's a lot of boxers from all over the country, coming up in Komas, and Komas has very good committed coaches, and their system appears to be working very well. So good luck for them,
Right, and Kelly, what's the way forward now? Namibia is hoping to do well and qualify for the Olympics. What's the road ahead now?
Yeah, now the road ahead now will be. The main reason why we had this junior and senior championship. First of all, if I can start with the juniors, we have an under 20 tournament, SADC under 20 tournament in Zambia in December. So this was for the preparation for that. So we are now going to select the team for the under 20 juniors who are going to go to Zambia, and then we are also going to select the team. Out of the 10 boxers, we are going to select at least 6 senior boxers who are going to go for the Olympic qualifiers. Now, the first of all, next weekend we'll have a tournament against Botswana here in Namibia. So the training can be starting actually now Monday for the boxers, and then immediately after that, end of the month, we are hoping to go to Ghana, where there's not Ghana, Uganda, where there's going to be about 10 countries in a tournament in preparation for that. And then after that, we're looking at either going to Cuba or to Glasgow for the training camp before the Olympic qualifiers in Morocco.
Right, and how many boxers do you think can still qualify for the Olympics?
It's going to be very tight. And I'm quite honest. When I look at the standards of boxing, we have a lot of work that we need to do. So we will be very happy if we can get at least 3. When I look at this, there's an opportunity for us to get 4, maybe 5 if we're lucky, boxers to qualify. The one disadvantage about this is that we're going to box in Morocco. This is where the Olympic qualifier is, in the north, and it's going to be very, very, very tough to get qualification there.